Hello everyone and welcome to this Alpha Money video on how to make money on YouTube with Cash Cow YouTube channels. In this video, we will be discussing a unique Cash Cow channel ideas and strategy that allows you to earn under $10,000 per month without showing your face or filming anything with a camera. This is perfect for those who are camera shy or don't have the resources to create videos. By utilizing YouTube automation, you can still create engaging content and grow your channel without the need for on-camera appearances. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on YouTube without showing your face or filming anything with a camera, then keep watching. One golden advice for choosing niche. When choosing a niche for a YouTube channel, it's important to consider your interests and expertise, as well as the potential audience and competition in that niche. Here are a few steps you can take to help you choose a niche. 1. Identify your passions and areas of expertise. What topics do you enjoy talking about and know a lot about? 2. Research the audience and competition in your chosen niche. Look at the size of the audience and the number of channels already operating in that niche. 3. Consider the potential for monetization. Are there opportunities for sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or other forms of monetization in your Validate your niche by creating a content calendar and filming some videos to test the waters. 5. Be unique and authentic. Don't just copy others. Put your own spin on it. Overall, choose a niche that you are passionate about, that you can create valuable content for, and that has a sizable audience. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you can build a successful channel in any niche. The first channel idea is a gaming channel called DP Gaming. If you're interested in gaming and want to make money without using your face or voice, you can be a model for this YouTube channel, which uses role-playing and storytelling and features driving cars around the city in GTA 5. The channel has over 1 million views and 140,000 subscribers, indicating that there is a demand for it on the platform. According to Social Blade, it makes $4,300 per month, but the earnings may vary. Because the Social Blade's default CPM ranges from 25 cents to $4, you can utilize this format to launch a gaming channel. Just be careful to include something distinctive to set your channel apart from the other competition. If you're enjoying the video and got any value from this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video from me. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm excited to continue creating content for you. Thanks! Next up is the fighting or boxing niche with channel called Fightify. This YouTube channel provides content related to fighting matches with videos on the related to topics of beef between boxers like KSI and Jake Paul, which are trending. That's why video are gaining thousands of views in similar videos. Each of the videos are getting thousands of views. Fightify was started less than 6 months ago and now has 80,000 subscribers and receives almost 4 million views. According to Social Blade, they are earning $15,000 per month. If you want to start a sports channel in fighting niche, I recommend getting inspiration from Fightify and making similar videos, but also finding ways to stand out and make your videos more effective, like using arrow and pointers at knocked out players to create curiosity in audience, which will increase the click-through rate, and also using popular figures like KSI and Jake Paul, which will help you gain more views. Is the men's development niche, which has a CPM of $7 and is gaining popularity on YouTube. This niche covers a wide range of topics related to self-improvement, such as increasing self-esteem, self-confidence, and spirituality. Many creators in this niche have gone viral with their videos. If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel in the men's development niche, you can follow the example of channels like Artistic Motivation, which uses text-based videos to offer guidance and advice to its viewers. It has over 300,000 subscribers, and it gains around 2 million views every month. According to Social Blade, $7,000 per month, but the default CPM of Social Blade is 25 cents to $4, so the earnings can be higher. The second cash cow channel idea is the Facts channel. Facts channels are a popular niche on YouTube where creators make simple videos that discuss facts about a specific topic. These channels are evergreen and always relevant, making them a great option for creators looking to gain an audience quickly. An example of a successful facts channel is 101 Facts, which has nearly 650,000 subscribers. The channel utilizes the authority hacking strategy, which involves making videos about someone or something with a lot of influence in order to pique the audience's interest. This is one of the best YouTube models to follow because it can instantly gain an audience. The channel's example video, 101 Facts About the Vatican City, was uploaded 6 months ago and has received over 25,000 views. This video is simple to make and requires only free stock footage and a voiceover. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received nearly 500,000 views in the last 30 days, resulting in earnings ranging from $124 to $2,000. Our research suggests a CPM of between $2 and $5. We estimate that this channel makes between $992 and $2,481 per month in ad revenue. So the next niche is called How To, and the channel is called Simplitivity. It shares productivity tips, technology apps, time management ideas, and more to help viewers get more done and enjoy less stress at the same time. So this channel is an evergreen channel because people will be always searching about the topics, so you will be paid for upcoming years, and the viewers are entrepreneur, business owner, or professional who wants to get more out of their day. So the views will come from search-based results, and TPM will be high also for these helpful training videos. The person is showing his face in between video. Sometimes you can choose to not show your face and use screen recording and voiceover. This channel has over 300,000 subscribers and gaining over 500,000 views, but also getting paid over $2,000 per month. But this is very bad estimate because the KPM is higher for these types of video, and you can earn much more than that. Another popular niche on YouTube is car channels. Car channels are popular because the car community is very active and loyal. An example of a successful car channel is PD Evolution, which has nearly 270,000 subscribers. This channel makes videos about crazy cars and applies a format that works well, such as supercar videos, which receives millions of views. An example video uploaded on this channel is Top 10 Most Expensive and Rare Lamborghini All of Time. This video was uploaded 2 years ago and has received over 3,200,000 views. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received nearly 730,000 views in the last 30 days and made between $142 and $2,900 that month. Our research suggests a CPM of $10 to $20. We estimate that this channel makes between $7,300 and $14,600 per month. This is a substantial amount, and it is amazing to make over $10,000 per month just by uploading car videos. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss a video from me. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for your support. Watch this video next for more Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas. I hope you're enjoying the content that I've been putting out recently. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of my videos. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.